Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to add store attributes to a field. So as you can see, this is my custom module, that is the company management. So let me go to the PY page of this module here. So as you can see, this is the custom model here, that is company.employee, and I have defined different fields inside it. And you can see a field called partner ID, which is a many to one field of rest.partner. And here you can see a field called name, where I have given the related attribute to get the value from the partner ID, that is the phone field here. So in this, what I've done is that I want the value of the phone field from the press.partner in the phone field that I've given as custom field here in the form view of my custom module. So as you have used the related field value here, this value would not be stored in the database. In such cases, you need to use the attribute called store to store the field value in the database. So let me just show you how to do that. So you can add the attribute here and you can give it as store equal to true. And after giving this attribute here, the field value will be stored in the database. So let me run the module, and here let me upgrade the module. And after upgrading the module, let me just go to the form view that I've created. And now if you just select the partner from here, you can see that automatically the phone number is added to the partner here, as we have given the value partner in the name field. You can see the phone from the partner ID is given here because we have given the related field for partner ID dot phone. And now the value will be stored in the database because we have given the attribute store to the field phone. And now let me show you how to give the attribute through XML. So for that, let me go to the backend view here, and let me go to the views, that is the custom view that I've created for my custom module. And here you need to add the attribute force underscore save equal to 1, that is force save equal to true. And if you just search for it, you can see multiple examples relating the same. And just let me just go back here and remove this from here, because as we have given the attribute in the XML, I'll just remove it from here and just run the code. After running the code, let me go to the front end here and let me upgrade the custom module. So as I've upgraded the custom module, now the field value will be stored in your form view here. As you can see here, that it will be stored because we have given the attribute through the XML, that is for save equal to 1. So this is how you add the store attribute for a field in Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.